back to my channel, everybody. This is Miss Shuggy Lovecraft, and what I'm going to show you today is a quick DIY on how to split letters in Cricut Design Space. Okay, so this cool thing you see on my screen, I'm going to show you how to do it in Design Space. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type, well, I could have done the C first, but I'm going to type the letter S first. I'm going to move it here. Then I'm going to type the letter C, put it over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the unlock button so I could spread my S. You could also, resize it using the size key up here. But I just like just spreading it myself so I could get the right thickness that I want. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the C. All right. So I got that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the shapes and I'm going to get a square here. And then I'm going to unlock that square as well. And I'm going to go up to the size key here and I'm going to make that 6-inch wide. And 1 inch high. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it exactly where I want to slice the S. What you're going to go ahead and do, you could go ahead and select both and you could align it to make sure that is centered horizontally and it's right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on both of them and you're going to weld them together. Okay, now that you have it welded together, now in order to get the split, you're going to get another square and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to unlock that square as well. And then what you want to do, you want to make sure that square is halfway between that block that you had made before. And then make sure the bottom part of the S is all the way covered. Okay. Then you're going to click and hold the shift key to make sure you highlight everything. And then you're going to hit slice. After you slice, you're going to go ahead and delete what you don't want. And there you go. You could simply move it down to where you want it, and voila. Now we could do the same thing again with the C, just doing it all over again. Get a square. You're going to unlock the square. You're going to change it to 6-inch wide, 1 inch high, and then you're going to do the same thing here. You could have it centered by holding down the shift key, like I said, and do the center horizontal. Then you're going to make sure you weld them all together. All right, and after you weld it together, once again, you got the square. Open that lock again. You're going to make sure it's halfway between on that block, but covered. And then you're going to spread it all the way across. There we go. Then you're going to make sure you select everything and then you're going to hit slice. Then you just simply remove what you don't want, like I said. Then you could grab the bottom piece and move it down. All right. Then you could create another text box and you type in what you want in the center, what you want to place in the center, and you're going to drag that here. Same thing here. You're going to go ahead and type what you want in the center, and you're going to go ahead and drag that there. What you're going to do now is you're going to make sure you select everything. Select all and go ahead and align it again. Make sure it's centered horizontally. You're going to do it on this one as well. And there we go. Then you could select all of them and weld it together. There we go. Select all of them and weld it together. Now, wherever you move this, there it will go, okay? If you want to change the color, you can always click on it and go ahead and change the color to whatever color you want. All right, guys, and that's how easy it is to split letters in this Cricut Design Space. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.